Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my Mercedes S63, how to replace the rear lights. You need a pry tool to pry it out, or you can use a straight screwdriver. And if you can see, 1, 2 tab on this side, 1 tab on this side, then there are 3 tabs in the middle. The middle one is a little tough, but you have to work it out. Just like this. Don't be afraid, but I would suggest don't pry too hard, then they will break. Plastic tabs, really easy. These tabs right in the middle. There's too many of these, so it's harder to take it out. The other ones, they are easy to come out. So just be careful. Don't pry it too hard. If you pry it too hard, what's going to happen? It's going to snap right in the middle. So this is how you take it out. The bulb, you need to replace it. You just pull it out and replace it with the new bulb. And the same thing on this side. And if you need to upgrade to LED light, you just pull it out and just replace it. If we look at here, this is the tedious, but if you go like this, wiggle around, you pry it out, this is the light comes out. I'm going to use LED light from Ala Lighting. So this is the new LED light. Turn it off the light, then you align it just like this, and that's going to go in a hole. As you see, it's pressed in. Make sure that the switch comes underneath, and as we put it in, now we have to just press this one a little bit, and then you press it just like this. You press it from the side. So this is how you do it. You snap in, and I'm going to replace the LED light on the other side also. So I hope this video is going to help you out. If you like it, like and subscribe. And for more Mercedes videos, please check it out my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.